Well, this is something I've been trying to make work for like the past week or so, and it won't work. It's just a little stirling engine I tried to make. There's a styrofoam displacer and it's connected with fishing line up to the crankshaft. There's the flywheel. It runs really smoothly, but it just won't work. This is the second best one. It's been the closest that worked, but it just won't. This would be right here, and it was like glued up here, but that just broke off. Diaphragm's just a balloon, hot glued to the big can, and you know, I've watched a lot of videos, and like people get away with a lot of stuff, and like they get away with having flywheels. They're just pieces of bent wire. It's unbalanced. It's just frame of coat hanger, and it's all shaking around, and there's so much losses. But this one, it's really good. It spins really free. Put a little oil on the moving joints, but that really doesn't make a difference. I've got all the timing right, 45 degrees off from each. And it just won't work. I've just done it with candles, and you know, it just... And I'm like 90% sure that it's not leakage issues, because like I could have a candle under it and I spin it and the diaphragm would move up and down without this attached. But I don't know what else is wrong with this. This is like, I've made a lot of these, or at least I've tried. I've made like 6 different designs. Some were with just cans, with cans as the support structure, and this is just one of them. So I really actually just had 2, and no, I had 3, and I tried 6 different ways between all of them, and I just can't get this thing to work. Let's get a better view on the timing. Now, I'm pretty sure the main problem is that this displacer doesn't get a high enough stroke. It's only moving like from here to here, so... And it really should be up to like here, from here to here, but it's only going to like here. So I think that's the main problem, but I don't really know. Oh yeah, and this thing, it's from a printer or something. Whatever the hell you want to call it. So, can someone please give me some advice on this, because I really want to make one of these work, and I haven't gotten any success so far, and I'd really appreciate the help. Thank you. Rate, comment, whatever the hell people do on YouTube.